They steady watching me. Drug dealing rapists all the time, people. They don't put a hit on me, people. Tag number 144WA3. They don't peep. This guy didn't want to give me no blunt, and he robbed me. I'm about to head back to the store. Hey, man, you didn't put no blunt off in that bag, sir. My show blunt, brother. You owe me a pack of blunts. People, these some racist cyber troll bitches over Nashville with the crooked KKK cops. They can suck my nigga dick. The real KKK, folks. I ain't scared of now one of these racist motherfuckers. All the crooked KKK FBI out in Tennessee. They can suck my nigga dick. They playing a game with me, people. Player hating, hate group, rape ops. Okay, buddy. Now, see, now, you is an honest man, thank you. And the dirty KKK can suck my dick with they dirty cyber troll ass. They playing a game, I am people. They steady watching, but serial killer, Uncle Tom Ravens wrote, serial killers. They steady playing with me. Tag number 232BGSR. Serial killer Ravens, folks. They steady playing with me, folks.